think there was a lot in the Micron earnings that perhaps speak to broader trends and broader themes within the semiconductor space. So one of the things we saw from Micron is commentary around supply and demand. Now, Micron plays in the area of memory semiconductors, and this is an area that's very sensitive to supply and demand. Now, last year, there was a lot of supply, slightly weaker demand, and that meant memory prices were a lot lower. Those supply-demand imbalances are working themselves out now, according to the Micron CEO, who said there is healthy industry supply-demand environment going in to next year as well for two of its key products as well. So that was one big commentary, and if we read that through across the companies like Samsung and SK Hynix, the two biggest memory players in the world, that's why you saw their shares jumping in Asia. Secondly here, also a lot about the AI boom. Is it sustainable? Is it continuing? And for how long? These are the questions investors have, and these are the questions Micron appears to be answering. You saw from their earnings as well that they said they had quarterly revenue record for DRAM, which is going into the data centers. They're seeing big demand for so-called high bandwidth memory as well. This is a type of chip that they provide and sell to NVIDIA for NVIDIA's big data center chips as well. And the company says that record data center revenue was achieved in its fiscal year 2024, and it's expecting more growth going into its next fiscal year as well, which again, those AI processes are being processed in the data centers. And for Micron to say that it's seeing strong growth in the data center, again, signals perhaps to the market that this demand for chips related to artificial intelligence and training is not going anywhere anytime soon.